Meet Priya, the hardworking real estate agent. Late night, WhatsApp flooded with buyer inquiries. Rapid message pings plus frustrated sigh. Hi, interested in the 2 BHK in Andheri? Available tomorrow? But Priya is out showing properties. Another lead lost. Hello, thanks for reaching out. Looking for a 2 BHK? Budget range? Preferred location?
Thanks! Please wait a moment while I check your order status.
I can schedule a viewing tomorrow, morning or evening. Evening works. Budget up to 1.2 crore. Perfect. Viewing booked for 6 p.m. tomorrow. Detail sent. Ginnis AI Receptionist qualifies leads 24/7, books viewings instantly, and keeps natural conversations going. Success notifications plus pipeline flow sound. Auto Reply Pro Plus answers every message in milliseconds. Lead Manager captures, scores, and tracks every hot prospect in a clear pipeline, turning chats into site visits and deals. Priya now closes more deals.
That's a great idea. I'll look into it right now.
Transform your real estate game with Ginnis. Free trial at ginnis.in.